Dexter Southfield Middle School Grammar. Today we're talking about the principal parts of verbs. There are two basic types of verbs. There are regular verbs, which form its past and past participle by adding d or ed to the base form. Regular verbs adding ing to the base form. There are irregular verbs, which form its past and past participle by adding something else besides d or ed to the base form. And of course, irregular verbs also add ing to the base form. All verbs have four basic principal parts: the base, the present participle, the past, and the past participle. Be sure to copy down these two charts, which cover 6 different verbs. The first 2 verbs are regular verbs, call and advertise. As you can see, when you move to the present participle, he or she is calling. It's just a matter of adding ing. The past, add ed, and then the past participle, he or she has called, he or she has advertised, just add ed. Please note that for the verb advertised, we actually just added a d because advertise ends in an e. Then you get to these 4 irregular verbs, and things changed in different ways. The first verb we'll look at is cost. For the present participle, again, pretty simple, just add ing. But then the past, nothing actually happens to the verb. It stays as cost. And in the past participle, again, nothing happens. So that's one possibility. Then with spend, the present participle, again, we just added ing, no problem. But then somehow the d turned into a t, and then it stayed that way again for the past participle. Take a look at buy. Again, things very simple here, just add ing. But then the entire word changes into bought for the past tense, and then stays as bought for the past participle. And then finally, ring. 4th time, just add ing. So no big change there. But then for the past tense, it turns into a completely different word. And then for the past participle, it turns into another completely different word. And now, every irregular verb. You do not need to memorize every irregular verb you just saw on that list. However, you will need to know the difference among these 6 irregular verbs, but that's for another video. Reflection. It would be too much to memorize every irregular verb, so how do you plan on studying for an assessment on this?